Sargassum is the only seaweed to live entirely at the surface. It never attaches to the sea floor. This floating tangle of fronds is home to a surprising open ocean predator, the Sargassum fish. Every part of his body mimics the weed. This Sargassum fish must lie in wait for those seeking shelter amongst the weed. Unfortunately, his mat is empty for now. But at least he's not wasting valuable energy searching for food. At last, his first opportunity for weeks. He must get closer. He can only strike when he is within a few centimeters of his prey. Trusting his perfect camouflage, he hides in the weed. Patience. Still not close enough. Surely this time. Blown it. It may be weeks before he gets another chance.